Today's video, we're going to be working on this microwave. The issue that we're having when it's in use is if you pull off this tray, you can see here we have a roller guide. Now this is a brand new roller guide. Someone replaced this because we were already having issues. But the issue that's going to be why the microwave isn't turning is going to be this little drive motor coupler underneath. Something like this. Make sure when you're testing your microwave that you're actually using something. Here I just have a cup with water and a mug. You should never run your microwave without anything inside. That will cause damage to the components of your microwave. We're going to add a minute, then we're going to press start. See, obviously the microwave isn't turning. The snowman on the cup, he's obviously not rotating. So we're gonna have to work on this microwave. Repair, make sure you unplug your microwave. Likely if you're doing this repair, the microwave is gonna be mounted, so you'll actually have to work with your head underneath the microwave. For this particular demonstration or video, I'm just going to take this microwave, I'm going to flip it over on its back so we can actually work on the bottom and you can see the components yourself. The bottom of the microwave, you can see this is the door, this is the bottom, and we have some screws. We're going to remove all of the screws around the exterior of this bottom panel. This is a Whirlpool, as I said. On this one, this is a Frigidaire, and you can see it's pretty much the same procedure. Here I've removed my screws, and this is going to be the bottom of my microwave from my Whirlpool model. The reason these fail oftentimes is obviously you can see the grease just starts to work its way down, and then eventually it just starts to corrode the plastic in the tip. This is my Frigidaire model, and I just wanted to show you what it looks like. It's pretty much the same exact design. You have your little insert, your plug that plugs into the terminals on the side, and this would be your little motor drive coupler. That's securing this is going to be 2 screws. Go ahead and remove those 2 screws. We're going to reattach our panel with the screws that we removed. Plug your microwave back in. The power applied. Now we're going to put our little roller guide back inside. Put our plate back in, and now we're going to test the microwave. Here I just have a cup with water and a mug. I'm just going to add a minute. I'm going to take the temperature of my water. I said you can do this with most make and models. This is the Whirlpool. This is the Frigidaire. If this video was a help, if it was informational, please subscribe.